Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I finished them. These are pendants that we worked on today. And I did resin the back. So I am pretty happy with how they came out. What do you guys think? These are absolutely gorgeous. And you know what? The red is not an issue. I thought it would be, but it just gives that metallic look. And then we've got that one. I am in love. Which one is your favorite? So I got it on some organza and leather necklace cords. Those I got from Amazon. If the link is not there right now while you're watching it, it'll be there shortly. Absolutely gorgeous. Go catch the tutorial or the create along so that you can go and create your own. This one I found I got some bubbles around the edges, so oh well, I just spotted that. Well, go create something amazing. Bye.